Now students, let us start with sum number 11 of exercise 14.4. Sum number 11. There are 3 red and 2 black balls in a bag. There are 3 red and 2 black balls. 3 red and 2 black balls in a bag. 3 balls are taken at random. Now from this bag, 3 balls are drawn. 3 balls are drawn. So what is the probability of getting two what is the probability of getting 2 red and 1 black, or 1 red and 2 black? So this is our question. A bag is there, and in a bag there are 3 red and 2 black balls. 3 balls are drawn at random. Find the probability of getting 2 red and 1 black, and 1 red and 2 black balls. Now students, let us do this question. So required probability is equal to, or we can write first let us find out 2 red and 1 black ball. Now 2 red balls out of 3 can be drawn in 3C2 ways, and 1 black ball out of 2 black balls can be drawn in 2C1 ways, and total balls are 5, and 3 balls can be drawn out of 5 in 5C3 ways. So 2 red balls can be drawn out of 3 in 3C2 ways, and 1 black ball out of 2 can be drawn in 2C1 ways, and total number of cases will be, there are 5 balls and 3 balls are to be drawn. So this is 5C3. Similarly, we write over here 1 red ball out of 3, 3C1, 2 black balls out of 2, 2C2, and total number of cases will be 5C3. So required probability. So required probability is equal to 3C2 into 2C1 upon 5C3 plus 3C1 into 2C2 upon 5C3. Right students, like this. Now 3C2. 3C2 is 3, 2C1 is 2, and 5C3. This is equal to 10 plus 3 into 1 upon 10. So we get 9 by 10. So the required probability is 9 by 10. So students, I hope this is clear to you. So this is our 11th question. Now let us start with the 12th question. In a group of students, there are 3 boys and 3 girls. 4 students are to be selected at random from the group. Find the probability that either 3 boys and 1 girl and 3 girls and 1 boy is to be selected. Now let us do this question, students. So we have, in this question we are given 3 boys and 3 girls, right? And 4 students are to be selected. 4 students are to be selected. 4 students. So we have to find out that either 3 boys and 1 girl, or 3 girls and 1 boy. So this is to be find out. So students, moving in the same way, uh, 4 students are to be selected. Now 3 boys. Now 3 boys out of 3 can be selected in 3C3 ways. 1 girl out of 3 can be selected in 3C1 ways. And total number of cases, there are 6 persons, and or we can say there are 6 students, 3 boys and 3 girls, and 4 students are to be selected. So 4 students out of 6 can be selected in 6C4 ways. So three boys and one girl can be the probability that there are three boys and one girl, 3C3 into 3C1 upon 6C4, and three girls and one boys, three girls out of three, 3C3, one boy out of three, 3C1 upon 6C4. So here we can write required probability. This is equals to 3C3 into 3C1 upon 6C4 plus 3C3 into 3C1 upon 6C4. So 3C3 is 1 into 3, and this is 15. 6C4 is 15. 1 into 3 upon 15. So we get 6 upon 15 and cut it by 2 or 3. So we get 2 by 5. So the answer is 2 by 5. Now students, I hope this is clear to you. Now sum number 13. Now students, the question is two cards are drawn from a pack of cards. What is the chance that at least one of the card is an ace card? So we have to find that at least one card is an ace card. One card is an ace card. At least one card is an ace card. So two cards are to be drawn. So it means either one card is ace, one card is ace, or both cards are ace. Two cards are aces, right? Or here we can write if one card is ace, so one card is ace and other is one card is non-ace, non-ace plus two cards of aces. Now one card is ace. Now we know we have four aces and non-aces means 48. aces को छोड़ के बाकी जो बचते हैं they are non-aces. So four card are aces and 48 are non-aces. So to find the probability, so we have to draw one card out of four, and that can be drawn in 4C1 ways, and one non-ace card out of 48 that can be drawn in 48C1 upon 52C2. Total case will be 52C2 plus टू कार्ड्स एसिस. अब यहाँ पर सिर्फ एस कार्ड ही हैं और वो हमने ड्रा करने हैं फोर में से. टू कार्ड्स आउट ऑफ फोर कैन बी ड्रॉन इन 4C2 ways upon 52C2, right? Now solving it, so this is equals to 4 into 48 upon 1326. 52C2 is 1326 and 4C2 is 6 upon 1326. So this is 192 plus 6 upon 1326. We get 198 upon 1326, right? And on simplifying it, we get 33 upon 221. Now this is the answer, students. I hope this is very much clear to you. Now students, the next question 14th is two cards are drawn at random from 8 cards numbered from 1 to 8. What is the probability that sum of numbers is even and second part is odd if two cards are drawn together? So students, we have number, we have cards from numbers 1 to 8. We have cards from number 1 to 8. Now 1 to 8 we have uh, there are four odd numbers. 1 to 8 के बीच में there are four odd numbers and four even numbers. odd numbers कौन से रहेंगे? 1, 3, 5 and 7. even number रहेंगे 2, 4, 6 and 8, right? Now probability that sum is even. Probability that sum is even. Now students, we know that uh, sum is even. The sum of two numbers is even. Either, I write over here, sum is even. Either both numbers are either both numbers are even, or both are both numbers are odd. एग्जाम्पल, अगर हम even प्लस even ऐड करते हैं, even प्लस even, then we get even sum. Or if we add odd plus odd, if we add two odd numbers, then also the sum is even. So the sum is even when both the numbers are odd or both the numbers are even. And sum is odd and sum is odd. Sum is odd when one number is odd, one number is odd and other is even. One is odd and other is even. एग्जाम्पल, 1 + 4, एक नंबर ऑड है और एक इवन है, तो उनका सम जो है वो कैसे आएगा? ऑड आएगा, राइट? सो स्टूडेंट्स, अगेन आई रिपीट, सम इज इवन either both the numbers are even or both the numbers are odd. Example, 2 and 4, both the numbers are even, so their sum is even. 1 + 3, both the numbers are odd, their sum is even. So the sum of two numbers is even either both the numbers are even or both the numbers are odd. And sum is odd when one number is odd and one number is even. Example, 1 + 4, 5. Now sum is even. So sum is even either even when both numbers are even or both numbers are odd. Both numbers are odd. Now both numbers are even. So we have four numbers are even. 1 to 8 के बीच में four even numbers हैं. So we can write two numbers can be selected out of 4 in 4C2 ways upon 8C2 plus both numbers are odd. There are four odd numbers between 1 to 8. So two odd numbers out of 4 can be selected in 4C2 ways upon 8C2, right? So 4C2, this is equal to 4 into 3, 8 into 8 into 7, 12 upon 56 and 12 upon 56, 24 upon 56, then 8 3 and 8 7. So this is the solution of first part, students, when sum is even. And similarly, we can find probability that sum is odd. Sum is odd. Now, as I told you, sum of two numbers is odd when one number is even and other is odd. So when one number is even and one number is odd, right? So one number is even means 4C1 into one number is odd, 4C1. One odd number out of 4 can be selected in 4C1 ways. One even number out of 4 can be selected in 4C1 ways and upon 8C2. So we get 4 into 4 upon 56. 8 into 7. This is equal to 28. So we get 16 upon 28 and this is equal to 4 by 7. So students, I hope this question is clear to you, that how to find the probability that sum of numbers is even and sum of numbers is odd when numbers are from 1 to 8. Now, sum number 15, students. 15 question. A class consists of 10 boys and 8 girls. 10 boys and 8 girls. A committee of 3 students is constructed. What is the probability that committee has at most one girl? Committee has at most one girl. And we have to make a committee of 3 students. Committee of 3 students. Committee of 3 students. So at most one girl. At most one girl means that in the group there is no girl and there is one girl, right? At most one girl means in the committee there is no girl and one girl. So when the zero girls means there are all boys, and one girl means one girl and two boys. हमने 3 की कमेटी बनानी है और 3 की कमेटी में अगर कोई भी गर्ल नहीं है, इट मीन्स उसमें सारे बॉयज होंगे। और अगर उस कमेटी में 3 की जो कमेटी है उसमें अगर वन गर्ल है, तो इट मीन्स वन गर्ल एंड टू बॉयज। Now let us find the probability of 3 boys. Now there are 10 boys, so 3 boys can be selected out of 10 in 10C3 ways, and total students are 18, and 3 students can be selected out of 18 in 18C3 ways, plus 1 girl out of 8, 8C1, 2 boys out of 10, 10C2 upon 18C3. Right, students? Now solving it. So this is equal to, on solving it, 120 plus 360 upon 816. So we get 480 upon 816, and on simplifying it we get 10 by 17. Right, students? So answer is 10 by 17. So students, I hope this question is clear to you. Now the 16th question. 4 cards are drawn at a time from a pack of 52 playing cards. Find the probability of getting all the 4 cards of same suit. Probability that all the 4 cards of same suit. हमारे पास पैक ऑफ कार्ड हैं और उसमें से हमने 4 कार्ड्स निकालने हैं, और ऑल द 4 कार्ड्स ऑफ सेम सूट। इट मीन्स जो हमारे पास 4 कार्ड्स हैं, आइदर ऑल आर फ्रॉम ऑल 4 कार्ड्स क्लब प्लस और 4 कार्ड्स स्पेड और 4 कार्ड्स डायमंड और 4 कार्ड्स हार्ट। उसने कहा है कि 4 कार्ड्स आर ऑफ सेम सूट। इसका मीनिंग ये होगा कि या तो चारों कार्ड जो हैं क्लब के होंगे, या 4 कार्ड्स स्पेड के हो सकते हैं, या 4 कार्ड डायमंड के हो सकते हैं, या 4 कार्ड हार्ट के हो सकते हैं। सो टोटल केस हमारे पास कितने बनेंगे? 52C4। नाउ 4 कार्ड्स आउट ऑफ 13 कैन बी ड्रॉन इन 13C4। 4 स्पेड कार्ड्स again 13C4, 4 diamond card 13C4, and 4 heart card 13C4, and total number of cases will be 52C4. Right? Now let us solve it. So this is equal to 4 times of 13C4 upon 52C4, like this. So we get 4, and 13C4 is 715, and 52C4 is 270725, right? Now on solving it, we get, now on solving it, we get 41 upon 4165. So students, this is the required answer. Now students, I hope all these questions are very much clear to you. Now I have completed the exercise. Now the next exercise 14.5 will be discussed in the next video. Thank you.